How have you been? Welcome to my channel. So in this vlog there will be a lot of farms. We have visited a lot of farms in different areas. So in this place it is called Kifanya. It is in Njombe. It is a village. We went to visit a farm. As you can see, there are avocados. The road to the farm was blocked. As you can see, there are a lot of fallen trees. But with time, the owner of the other farm will move the trees so the farm can be reachable again. So after this, we went and visited another farm. We wanted to see if it is suitable for farming, but we found out that it was not suitable. So this is a eucalyptus plant. There are so many here in Njombe. The leaves are used to make medicines for cough. Also, some toothpastes contain eucalyptus as an ingredient. So this is the eucalyptus plant in its natural form. The locals here use it to treat cough, flu, and some fevers. So I got some. I do not have flu or cough, but I just felt the need to carry it. So this was the second place. The farm wasn't good, but it was a beautiful place. So it wasn't a waste of time. As usual, cakes. This is my business. I love baking, and especially baking cakes. So get ready to see a lot of cakes in my videos. This was a birthday cake. As I said earlier, I wanted to introduce cupcakes in my business. So this is the first cake that I made with cupcakes, as you can see them. So in each order that I'll be receiving, I'll be adding some cupcakes as a marketing strategy. So in this week, I also had an order from a customer. She's a cake customer, but this time she ordered flour, cake flour. So I mixed it, I packaged it, and I sent it to her. So this is me before going to the salon. Then here is after. I think the salonist did a great job. So that's me showing off. Most of the time my hair is unkempt, but I want to change that, so I'll be going to the salon more often so that I can take good care of my hair. So we went again to another farm. These are potatoes. In this place they have planted beans, so they are watering them. Also by this time there are avocados, beans, and potatoes in this farm. When the rain season begins, they are going to also plant corn. That place has bees, so once in a while they harvest the honey. These are avocados. So this is another day. I had gone to town to buy some necessities. I'd bought toilet paper, a whole roll. I also got some grapes. So I wanted slippers. I just wanted one pair. So I'd put 10,000 as the budget for slippers. But reaching to the market, they were 4,000. So I got two for the same budget. These we call them bagia. I'd gotten them as snacks because I had not eaten. These are fruits. I wanted to make a smoothie, so I had to buy fruits. This is a cake. I had bought it. I just wanted to try how it tastes. This is a container. I wanted it for rice flour. I have rice flour and I did not have a container for it. So I got one. I also got some bottles. This is for cooking oil. I also got one for vinegar. Okay, I bought this one for soy sauce. Also, I got another one for vinegar, but it will not be shown here because I had bought it in another day. So I bought this one. I do not know what I'll be keeping in it, but I think it will find something. So this one, I'm going to use it for my feet. I have very rough feet, so this one is going to be of help. So early in the morning, I had baked some cupcakes. Here they are. So this is my garden. Recently, I've been trying gardening, and I think I'm doing a good job at it. So I eat vegetables from my garden. Also, there are onions and capsicum. So I plan on planting other things in my garden. I think it's going to be a lovely journey. Sometimes it's challenging, but it is also a funny thing to do. So I think gardening is going to be my new hobby after baking. So as you can see, we call this vegetable figiri. So on this day, I had ordered bags. There are three of them. I had ordered them from Dar es Salaam. So there I'm opening them. This is the first one. First of all, it came in a different color. I wanted a pink one, but it wasn't this shade of pink. So I was very disappointed with this bag. It was the worst of all the three. First, it is small, even my phone cannot fit there. Also, the material is not that good. So I wasn't expecting much, but this was so disappointing. This one, it came as I ordered, but the color was different. I had ordered a pink one, As you can see, it came in brown, but it wasn't so bad. So this is the third bag. At least this one looked like the image. So I think this one is my favorite. So I'm going to show you what I ordered versus what I got so that you can see. This is my second favorite, the other one I did not like it. So as you can see, what I ordered versus what I got. So at least two of them were not very disappointing. This one, and this one, though it came in a different color, but this one was very disappointing. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye. Thank you. Please do subscribe.